Hello, my dear boy. I, Dr. Pradeep Kumar Srivastava, welcoming to all of you in my surveying class. Today's topic is the different type of direction measuring instrument and their use. Dear boy, in the survey work, you have so necessary different type of instrument which you can measure the direction, different type of direction, vertical direction, horizontal direction, and any direction you want to, you can measure. So today we will read about the different type of direction measuring instrument and what is their use. Dear boy, one instrument is compass. My yesterday class, I have explained that due to effect of North Pole and South Pole, the compass disc will be governed by totally North Pole. North ice cap pole and South ice cap pole means, my dear boy, when you are residing on this type of earth, this is the center of earth. A potential, a magnetic energy had to describe, this is the our north polar cap, this is our south polar cap. So and this a type of potential energy getting affected to the magnitude of earth waves already generating from here and decomposition to the here. This is all waves generating from here, decomposition to the here, all waves. So this type also this system has been magnifier is regularly in the earth. How generated? This is the rotation of earth it has generated. So dear boy, a point that is North Pole, the iron, if it magnetized, a two pole, one North Pole and second South Pole. So a compass is a type of instrument which has a steel disc, aluminum disc, which has a aluminum disc. This is it. North, south, This is in north, this is south, east, and west. So when a compass will be open and when you will live in the freely, a north pole sudden will be movement and it will be take direction and still at the direction of north. It is its property. If it is a magnet, it is the property. Okay. Now, my dear boy, so is this property? It is called north magnifier. It is a power. We are not feeling it physically, but it is the govern in our atmosphere. Now, a compass is an essential wait. This is north, this is south, this is east and west. The compass is an essential piece of equipment when surveying in uniform territory, backcountry, or just orienting in a position on a map. Compass can be used to measure distance between 2 points, while clinometer are used to the measure with single elevation of slope. Just I am removing to this. My dear boy, but a property of compass is available. It will be only measure maximum horizontal angle. How? Suppose if here is a compass, if here is a compass, if here is the angle, here is the angle, if here is the angle, and here angle, and here angle. We can better measure towards north. It is the first, it will indicate this is toward north, and toward north, how much your angle, how much your angle, how much this angle, how much this angle. It will be all defined. But you are looking that it all can be done horizontally, not vertically. If suppose there is a tree, there is a tree, or house. So compass should not measure like this because there is an elevation available. Today, you will read horizontal and vertical angle measuring instrument. Now, a compass is an essential piece of equipment when surveying is uniform territory, backcountry, or just orienting your position on a map. So compass can be used to measure distance between 2 points, while clinometer are used to measure the angle by elevation of slope. Now, recommendation product in the category. Now we will discuss about which instrument can be measured in the air also. Now, SILVA Ranger 2.0 quad compass. It is ideal for measuring creation direction over long distance, and this mirror sighted compass feature coated graduation offers a high degree of accuracy, precision, and durability. Next, Brunton Omni-Slope Sighting Clinometer. In my last chapter, you have read the clinometer. So this clinometer, this is advanced clinometer. This clinometer feature a precision pendulum for fast, accurate reading and is housed in the lightweight aluminum for the durability and the portability. Now, Bernard TruArc 20 meter compass, a modern upgrade to trusted a classic is mirror right compass feature, the TruArc global needle system for the constant polarity and reduce magnetic interference, and it is also feature a map magnifier and even north magnet and magnified readout. Now it is a very big role of the theodolite in the measuring instrument of the angle. So transit theodolite, non-transit is absolute. So transit theodolite. So these tools are used to measure both horizontal and vertical angle. Both tools have a minimum accuracy of 1 minute of angle. Though the theodolite is generally recognized as the more accurate of the two measuring angle to an accuracy of 1/10 of the second angle. Recommended product of this category. Now, transit and theodolite. So Brunton Geo Pocket Transit. It is a new machine, a very good machine, equipped with a rare earth magnet and separate jewel bearing. This transit allows for a quick simulation, trend, and plug measurement as well as readable dip measurements. So Seco total station and theodolite bucksec, Seco total and theodolite rucksack. This heavy duty but lightweight pack was designed to securely carry surveying instrument like a total station of theodolite. Next instrument name is magnetic locator. When conducting a land survey, it is necessary to identify the location of certain feature, such as manhole and utility covers, steel and iron pipe, underground tank and surveyor corner markers. So magnetic locator can be used to quickly and precisely locate Ferrous metals like iron, steel, and rubber recommended product in this category. And next is the synchronistic magnetic magic locator. This next generation magnetic locator offers single-handed operation, maximum sensitivity, precision, and state-of-the-art ergonomic of the comfortable use. These all are best type of machine to measurement for the direction. Next, another machine is also available. So consider Nick horn dog magnetic locator. This machine with the integrated fans, ignoring technology that FIT fans ignoring technology. This magnetic locator can snip out hard to find survey marker, even the presence of the metal fence and metal building. Now, subsurface instrument magnetic locator. So this combo kit include both pipe and cable and magnetic locating, making in the perfect kit for utility locating profession in the industry from gas to saver, electric, water and telecom. Now prism and reflector prism system are used to secure control point at a comfortable and accessible height for the pinpoint accuracy. This device can be mounted on the surveying pole and used in the conjunction with electronically distance measuring that is called EDM. Instrument for improved accuracy recommended product this category. Now, next machine is the Sokia economic tilting prism. Available at in the affordable price point, this tilting prism allow the user to quickly adjust the target from behind the accurate sighting. Now, next machine is the Shiko double right angle prism. For compact size and precision, this double side angle prism allow for easy to determination of right angle for perpendicular point between two targets. Next machine is GeoMax GRZ 122 360 degree high accuracy prism. This high performance prism feature is built up in a point that allow the reflector to be postponed directly on the mark of the pinpoint accuracy. This machine is called Geo CRZ 122 360 high accuracy. So, dear boy, there are two major techniques for the measuring direction. These are by means of compasses by celestial observation. Compasses to needle type of are used, box compasses and circular compass. So just you have see what is the box compass and what is the circular compass in this picture. So this. My dear boy, this is the box compass. This is. In this, you can hang the compass. But if you want to show the direction, you open this and you can check the direction. And this compass, this is box compass. It will be mostly kept in box, in the wooden box. And this is the circular compass. This is the circular compass. So there is mostly two types of compass system are working. So box compass must be used with angle measurement instrument as the compass operate only when the line of sight point toward magnetic north. Okay, magnetic north means this is compass. So this is north, south, east, west. We have found out few four direction another. What is? This is northeast. This is northeast. This is southeast. Southeast. This is southwest. And this is northwest. This type of direction we have generated on the base of this north only. Correct? Now, my dear boy, box compass must be used with the angle measuring instrument as the compass operate only when the line of sight point towards magnetic north. The bearing measured must then be measured from this direction. Circular compass can be mounted on the theodolite and are often permanently mounted on the transit. When provided with open sight, they can be used alone, either mounted on light strip or held in the land. So this why this says you have read direction measuring instrument. Now we will read how we are using compass instrument, how compass surveying. We will see the compass surveying. So about the compass surveying, the chance surveying can be used when the area we surveyed is comparatively is small and is fairly flat, but when the area is large, undulating, and crowded with many detailed triangulation, which is the principle of the chance survey, is not possible. In such an area, the method of surveying is used. Now, the principle of compass surveying. Dear boy, the principle of compass surveying is traversing, which involves a series of connected lines. The magnetic bearing of the lines are measured by prismatic compass, and compass surveying is recommended when the area is large, undulating, and crowded with many details. And compass surveying is not recommended for area where local attraction is suspended due to the presence of magnetic substance like steel structure, iron, and deposit, electric cable, and so on. So, in traversing, the framework consists of connected lines. The length and measured by a chain or tape, and the direction measured by angle measuring instrument. Hence, in a compass survey, direction of survey line determined with the compass and length of the line are measured with a tape or chain, and this process is known as the compass traversing. So my dear boy, there is two types of traversing. One open traversing and one is the closed traversing. Up, how you will find a plan to traversing? If you have a map, then you can find out the traversing plan. What is the need? If you want to survey, suppose my dear boy, a factory, or you want to survey a road, so first where you will draw? First you will draw on the map. How? If this is a area of a factory, then how you will make a closed traverse? Dear boy, on the map, you will see seriously on the map. You will see, you will check the corner 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. One thing from the map, You are looking towards north. What is the bearing this? So first bearing is first 90 degree. This is this degree, 90 degree. Toward north, it is 90 degree. And after that, it will be turned. So as per you write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, G. So with the compass in the field, you will draw this map, and this type of this. This type of area you will draw, and you will close the circular. So how you will get? You will get that idea from the map. Okay. So this is the closed traverse. In the closed traverse, always we have keep the account of any factory, any house, or any big area. We can measure the compass. This is called closed traverse. One minute. Now has come open traverse. Suppose, my dear boy, you have got a work for the construction of 5 kilometer road. Then how you will construct? So road is not a closing traverse. Road is not a closing traverse. So you will start at the map. So here, you see, so you will start from here. This is now, here will close this now. Like this. And entire these all has bearing. You have get towards north. This is all our compass station. So clear, you have cleared that what is the difference between closed and open circuit. Now you have read What is the closed traversing and open traversing? Now, length are measured by a chain or tape and the direction measured by angle measuring instrument. Hence, in the compass surveying direction of survey line are determined with a compass and a length of the line are measured with a tape or clay. This process is known as compass traversing. This process is compass traversing. So then you have seen what is the traversing of compass and type of traversing you have seen. One you have seen also what is the closed traverse and you are also seen what is the open traverse. Now a compass is a small instrument essentially consisting of a graduated circle and a line of sight like this. It is like this. This is a graduated circle enclosed in a box. So a compass is a small instrument essential consisting of a graduated circle and a line of sight. The compass cannot measure angle between two lines directly. What is the means of two lines? Suppose, my dear boy, if you are measuring here, you have stand a station. One station is here and second station is here. So in the one time, you can measure one line. In the one time, you can measure one line, and second time, you can measure second line. In one time, you cannot measure both lines. The compass cannot measure angle between two lines directly, but can measure single of a line with reference to magnetic meridian at the instrument station point is called magnetic bearing of line. Now, there are two types of compass. They are followed. The prismatic compass. So, my dear boy, this is prismatic compass. This is under a graduated box. It is a graduated ring. You can see this. Now we will discuss what is the element of prismatic compass. So first cylindrical metal box. A cylindrical metal box is having diameter of 8 to 12 centimeter and it projects to compass and form center using our body of the compass and it product compass from dust, rain, etc. So pivot, pivot is the provided at the center of the compass and support and freely suspended magnetic needle over it. This is freely suspended on the this type of this type of. It is a freely suspended, and due to freely suspended, it is showing your correct direction. So now next thing is lifting pin and lifting lever. The lifting pin is provided just below of the sight when the sight can be folded. It pushes the lifting pin. The lifting pin, with the help of lifting lever, can lift off the magnetic needle out pivot point to prevent damage the pivot head. So magnetic needle is the heart of measurement. This needle measure angle of a line for magnetic meridian, as the needle always remain pointed toward the north-south pole at the two end of the needle when freely suspended on any support. It means graduated circle or ring. This is an aluminum graduated ring marked with 0 to 360 to measure all possible bearing of length and attached with the magnetic needle. The ring is graduated to half a degree. So prism is used to read graduation ring and take exact reading by the compass. It placed exactly opposite to object when, and the prism is whole protected by prism up to project from touch to moisture. Now object van. Object van is the object man is the diametrically opposite of the prism and I van. The object van is carrying a horsehair or black thin where the sight object while lined with eyesight. Now I van is the fine slit provided with the hole at the bottom to subject the object from slit. And the next thing is the glass cover. It covers the instrument box from the top such that needle and graduated ring is seen from the top. Now sunglasses. These are used these are used when some luminous objects are to be dissected. Now reflected mirror. it is used to get image of an object located above, below the instrument level, while is a section, so it placed on the object name, the object van. So a spring brake or brake pin to damp the escalation of the needle before taking a reading and bring it to rest quickly. The light spring brake attached to the box and brought to contact with the edge of the rig by the gently pressing inward the brake pin. Now temporarily adjustment of the prismatic compass. Now, my dear boy, we will read how we will adjust temporary of the box. The following procedure should be adopted after fixing the prismatic compass on the tripod of measuring the bearing of a line. First, what is following? One, centering. Centering is the operation in which compass is kept exactly over the station from where the bearing is to determine. The entering is checked by dropping a small pebble from the underside of the compass, and if the pebble fall on the top of the peg, then a centering is correct. If not, then centering is correlated by adjusting leg on the tripod. Now leveling. Leveling of the compass is done with the aim to freely swing the graduation circular ring, the prismatic compass. So the ball and socket arrangement, the tripod will be held to achieve a proper level at the compass. So this can be checked by rolling ground pencil on the glass cover. Now focusing. The prism is moved up to down on its slide till the graduation on the aluminum ring are seen near sharp and perfect focus. The position of the prism will be depend upon the vision of the observer. Vision of the observer. So we will see here observing bearing of the line. How will observe bearing of the line? My dear boys, suppose this is the compass and this is the north and it is an object, that is T. So consider a line AB, this AB, A and B, with the magnetic bearing is to be taken. Now, by fixing the ranging rod at the bottom B, we get the magnetic bearing of the needle what path pole, and the enlarged portion give actual pattern graduation mark surveying. This is the surveying compass, and again we are studying bearing. So the bearing of a line horizontal angle, which is the make with a reference line meridian. So depending upon the meridian, there are four type of bearing they are followed. Which type? Four type bearing. One, true bearing. The true bearing of a line is horizontal angle between the true meridian and the survey line. The true bearing is measured from the north to clockwise meridian, north to clockwise direction. This is true bearing. Suppose, my dear boy, if a bearing is this, from here to here, here to here. So if it is 30 degree, it is 90, so it is 120 degree. This is 90 plus 30. 30 is equal to 90 degree. 120 degree. This is called meridian. Now, what is magnetic bearing? So the magnetic bearing of a line is the horizontal angle which the line makes with the magnet north. And grid bearing, the grid bearing of a line is a horizontal angle which is the line make with the grid meridian. Now, arbitrary bearing. The arbitrary bearing of a line is the horizontal angle which is a mistake with the arbitrary bearing. Now we will get working of surveyor's compass. So when surveyor will went to the field, how you will start the survey? So we will discuss about that. Now, centering, leveling, and observing the bearing of a line. So first two observations, same are prismatic compass, but third observation referred from that observing the measure bearing of a line. In the compass, reading is taken from the top of glass and the tip of the north and the magnetic needle directly to prism is provided here. Now designation of the bearing. My dear boy, this is two type of designated by the bearing. One is the bearing, whole circle bearing, and second quadrantal bearing. This is the two type of designated by bearing. So what is the whole circle bearing? The bearing of a line measured with respect for magnetic meridian in clockwise direction is called magnetic bearing, and its value varies between 0 to 360 degrees. And the quadrant start from our progress in a clockwise direction. As the quadrant 0 to 90, second quadrant 9 to 80, third 80 to 270, and fourth quadrant is the 270 to 360 degree. So this is whole circle degree. You can see this graph. So this is in drawing. This is true north, and these all are whole circle bearing. So dear student, you have read in my class different type of different direction measuring instrument, and on that basis of this class, I have bring some selected question MCQ, and I want to ask you, and you are requested to give reply. Okay. So the first MCQ is the which of the following caused by careless handling. So what is the correct answer? So thereby correct answer is B. Cross error. And next question is a negative declination shows the magnetic meridian to the, what is correct answer? Thereby correct answer is B. Western side of the true meridian. Now a system will be error free if we remove all systematic error. Is it correct or true? Is it false? Now, next question. A series of closely inspected contour, hence question A. Then what is answer? Correct answer is yes, sleeve slope. And next, a telescope is said to be inverted if it, what is correct answer? Correct answer is A, vertical circle is to right, and the bubble tube of the telescope is down. Is down. And the next question is angle of 45 degree with chain line may be set out with. So what is correct answer? The answer is, my dear boy, C. French cross staff. Now, next question. A level line is horizontal, vertical, or how? Correct answer is B. A line parallel is the main spherical surface of Earth. And next question. A get-up cap is fitted with, tell me, just we have read. Yes, answer is D, prismatic compass. Now, along pupil, the correction to apply to each 30 hole in length. What is correct answer? Correct answer is A, 30 second. Thank you for joining my class and taking interest. And next class, you are again welcome.